Hello everyone, this is Prabhat Tiwari. Today I am going to talk about information security related to our cyber security. Now, when we talk about information security, information is subjected to increasing threat of attacks. Availability of number of tools and resources on internet that may be used to attack system. Enterprise system connected in network share confidential information products. There is a need of security in computing and lack of specialized resources. So there are security concerns of software practitioners as well as those professionals, managers and users whose products, services as well as being depend on proper functioning of computer system. So now when I talk about information security means consider available countermeasure on controls stimulate through about uncovered vulnerabilities and identify areas where more work is needed. In simple sentences, इंफॉर्मेशन को सिक्योर करना इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि आज के टाइम पर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज इंफॉर्मेशन और डेटा एंड everyone every second person is trying to steal your information, and stealing information is nowadays very easy by stealing from your computer. So by removing these vulnerabilities, it can be removed. Now we will talk about need of information system. Okay, an asset of the system may be lost or become unavailable as an intruder may insert suspicious transactions to a network communication system. Actually, जब भी हम कोई डेटाबेस रिकॉर्ड करते हैं तो उसे सिक्योर हो करने के लिए हम बहुत अलग अलग तरह के मेजर्स लगाते हैं, जिसमें जिसमें हमें उसको पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्ट करना भी एक थोड़ा सा मेजर होता है. द पर्पस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी इज टू डिवाइस टेक्निक, एक टेक्निक बनाना, एक टेक्निक के थ्रू हम उसे प्रिवेंट कर सकें. The purpose of information security is a technique to prevent the weakness from being exploited. अगर हम exploit नहीं होना चाहते हैं तो हमें information को secure करना ही पड़ेगा. There are many important aspects of an computer related system, namely confidentiality, integrity and availability. We all know about confidentiality and availability, but we will talk about confidentiality, availability and integrity. If any system have confidentiality, integrity and availability, then the information system is safe and secure. Now let's talk about availability. The information must be accessible and available to users when requested so that they can carry out tasks, so that they can mine the data and fulfill their responsibilities. Okay, now talk about integrity. Integrity basically provides a mechanism to protect the data. Being or we can say being altered of the data. Alteration of data can be alteration or hampering of data can be done in any information systems. To protect these hampering or alteration of data, we will need integrity concept, which mechanism provides protection of data or resources or being altered in an unauthorized fashion. If any type of illegitimate modification does occur, the security mechanism must alert the user or administrator in some manner. इसको हम इस तरह से समझ सकते हैं कि जब आप जीमेल को दूसरे डिवाइस पर लॉग इन करने की कोशिश करते हो तो वहाँ पर आपके पास एक पॉपअप मैसेज आता है जो ये बताता है कि आप किसी और जगह से लॉग इन किए हो। तो ये इंटीग्रिटी का पार्ट है जिसके थ्रू आपको सिस्टम वार्न कर रहा है कि आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ कुछ भी गलत हो सकता है। Now, when we talk about confidential, we all know about confidentiality. Confidentiality is the assurance that information is not disclosed to unauthorized individual. If I am sharing something, then it must be shared only with you, which is actually meaning of confidentiality. Confidentiality is the assurance that information is not disclosed to unauthorized individual, programs or processes. And control mechanisms need to be in place to dictate who can access data and what the subject can do it with once they accessed it. And if there is any type of vulnerability, then we cannot imagine how unsecure our data is. If there is one vulnerability, then availability, integrity, and confidentiality can be hampered. So, for maintaining these three aspects of information system and information security, we have to be very careful and secure. Thank you so much.